instructions. Negative at the top, and on the other side positive at the top. And the last two with the positive. And as it says there, the negative goes there. Alright, so that's the controller. When putting the controller on, the lights are lighting up. Alright, going over to the boat, freshly charged battery. I connect the cord, place the battery into its holder, like so. Put the lid on. The button at the moment is actually up, so it's not switched on. As per the instructions, I now extend the aerial, turn on the receiver, lights go on, turn on the, so that was the transmitter, turn on the receiver, place the boat into the water. I then press the trigger, turn the knob, and as you can see, nothing is happening. Press the button again, so it's out, same thing. Press the button in, nothing.